this video I'm going to show you how to set right and left margins in Word. So as you can see, I've got this Word document over here with some text in it. And now I want to change the left and the right margin. So for that I'm going to View over here. And then you need to enable ruler. And as you can see, those settings will appear. And now you need to hold your cursor on this icon to see the arrow on the left and the right. And then you can drag it. So this is how we can change the left margin. You can also do that on the right side over here. So we want to have it like this. You can also change this upper part. So then you need to go over here. You can also drag it so how you want it. So that is one method. It is also possible to use some default settings. So you can go to Layout and then to Margins over here. And here you can choose for narrow, for example, moderate, wide. So those are some default margins. You can also change the margins before you print. So you can go to File and then to Print. And here you can also choose the margins. So the same as we saw before. And the last thing that I want to show you is how to add custom margins. So you go to Layout and then you need to go to this small button over here. So Page Setup. And here you can add some custom margins. So 1, for example. Also 1, okay. And that's how you can add custom margins. So this is how to set right and left margins in Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was the case, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.